95 octane that you have in your car. However, it also runs fine on standard aircraft.
Like standing still.
Primarily designed for off-airport
That's power in that engine to be able to do that.
Aircraft is equipped with trailing edge, double powder flaps and full span.
They're not answering their phone.
Brighton had a team of 4 of these aircraft with wing walkers walking on the wings of the Boeing Stearman. I was telling you about Mark Jackson, and without further ado, we've got to be very quick because we're going straight into this display. Let's cross live now to Zimbabwe, where Mark Jackson is busy with rescue operations with the Black Hawk.
And you'll hear that ripping sound. That is the sound of the tips of the propeller on that R34. about the half Cuban. You're going to enter that half Cuban